How to change dates of birth on Facebook on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change dates of birth on Facebook on Android phone. First, then open Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and scroll down until you find settings, and then click settings and scroll down until you find profile information. Click on it and scroll down again. Here you will find this one here, your birthday. Click on it, click edit here, and here we'll find the birthday. Then here you can change it. Just select anything you want and then just scroll down and click save, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change date of birth on Facebook. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.